Hi guys, Kyo here, and today I kinda want to talk about the problem that I had with my PC and how I actually fixed it. Also, I really hope that this video helps someone in the future because this is the problem that you can't fix because it's so stupid. So, the problem that I had was with Diablo 4. I tried multiple games. I didn't have a single issue. This was only related to Diablo 4 and the fix is not even connected to Diablo 4. Whenever I would boot up Diablo and I would try to navigate through the game, I would see what is opened behind Diablo 4. And imagine like when you are playing the game and you want to alt tab to like a different application and the application opens. That is how it felt while you are playing the game. Keep in mind, you don't open the new tab, you are just controlling the game. So it was also very annoying to play the game because you wouldn't see what you are actually doing in a game. So the first thing I did was I did like a complete reset of all the settings in the game. Didn't help. I tried to uninstall Diablo 4 and put it on like a different drive. Didn't help. I tried to open different games to play, for example, Elden Ring, Witcher, like a Dark Souls, GTA 5, League of Legends, Dota, I don't know, GTA Vice City, Bully. Also, I tried Detroit Become Human. Didn't have single issue, so I was like, okay, this is only related to Blizzard games. Let's try to play Blizzard games. So, I tried to play Diablo 3, Diablo 2, StarCraft, Warcraft. Didn't have a single issue, so I was like, okay, maybe I don't know what to do. So the first thing I do is I unplug all the cables from my PC. And then I plug in one monitor, try to play the game, same issue. I tried second monitor, same issue. I tried to change cables because that's what every single person on YouTube said. So none of that actually helped. So I was like losing my mind. Why can't I play Diablo 4 but every single other game works? Then what I did, I uninstalled the drivers, like a display drivers with like a DDU. Didn't help. I tried to install all the drivers. Didn't help. The last thing I did, I mean not the last thing, but one of the last things I did is basically I removed GPU from the motherboard and I plugged it back in. I had the same issue. So then I went into my closet and I found the box with my power supply cables. So I disassemble my entire PC and I use like a brand new cable from like a power supply to GPU. Of course, didn't help, so I was like, okay, what else do I have to do? Maybe my PS5 controller is connected somehow to my PC via Bluetooth and maybe that is what's happening. So I take my PS5 controller in the kitchen and I removed like a Bluetooth adapter from my PC. Nothing happened. After like a 2 hours, I go on like a Reddit again and I'm browsing like a Elden Ring Reddit and I found solution for it. So this is how you do it. You open Windows like a start menu, you type in registry editor and then on the left side you have current user. You press on that. Then you click on control panel. Then you search for desktop. And then on this entire shit show that you have here, you have the thing called Hang App Timeout. I told you, it's not related to Diablo. Some people said that you have to put like a 5,000 over here. Some people say delete it. I tried to put like a 5,000 and then I save this thing. I restart my PC and I try to play Diablo 4 again. Same issue. And then I was like, dude, screw it. What's the worst that can actually happen? Installing like a brand new Windows. So I deleted the thing. I restarted my PC and everything works perfectly fine. So yeah, basically that is how you fix a stuttering, flickering, glitching game. I really hope that this video helps someone, and if it did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Peace out.